So, Phoenix at saka Blackwater, no, yung kahapon. So, this game simply demonstrates kung ano nagagawa ng team na walang masyadong resistance defensively. Itong Phoenix may pyesa offensively. Dahil ang kalaban nila medyo mahina sa defense, so lumalabas yung kanilang offensive capabilities. All of them scored, yung mga players ng Phoenix. Si Richie, si Perkins, si Taffen, all of them scored heavy points. No? Sila Tyler Tio. I think itong Phoenix, ang kulang lang nito is yung solid na front line. Wala silang malaki. No? Except for Balungay, no? So, kailangan lang nilang makakuha ng isang solid, isa o dalawang solid na big man, okay na sila. Kasi ayos naman yung sistema. And then, sana magkaroon sila ng defensive identity as a team. Kasi mahirap yung ganyan, wala silang defense Pag malalaki yung kalaban nila, yung malalakas, hindi talaga sila mananalo kung wala silang defense. They can go toe-to-toe offensively, pero hindi ka naman mananalo ng score, ng padamihan ng puntos against the other teams na alam mong may winning tradition. At maganda ang nilalaro this conference. So, yun lang po.